Hey guys, so today's video is going to be me trying out some makeup kits that are specifically from Walgreens, and I got these a while back and they're all gift sets, so I want to try them out, use them on camera, and that way I can tell you my first impression on them, and maybe you can decide whether you would like to get these for yourself or you want to give them as gifts, because some of these are pretty cool, like the brush set. I think that one's really cool, so I want to try that one out. This one is $20. It's by Sleek Makeup. And it comes with 6 brushes in here, some face brushes, 2 eye brushes. But I already have my foundation and my concealer because I don't have anything in here for that part. So I'm going to be setting my makeup and doing like the rest of my face stuff using the brushes in here. And then I also got this other kit. This one is an eyeshadow palette with a mascara and a lipstick. And I don't know if I'm going to be using this palette today or the other one that I'm about to show you. I kind of want to use the other one because it is so funny. This one, oh, by the way, this one is $16. It's by Soap and Glory. The funny one is this one right here. This one's by Sleek Makeup. It's probably not funny to you, but it just looks so funny to me because when I bought it, I wasn't expecting for it to be this tiny, and I mean tiny. This, well, not the box, but the little palette in there, it looks so cute. And then for the lips today, I think I'm going to wear this one. This one's by LA Colors. And it's the liquid lip color, the matte liquid lip color, and this is a lip kit, and it comes with a lip liner in there as well as the liquid lipstick. This one is in the color Naked Truth, and I've never tried a liquid lip kit from LA Color, so I was curious about that, and also because I am loving pairing up my lip liner with my lipstick. Even though it's a nude, it's like you can barely see it, but it really does help. So I've been liking that recently. And then lastly, I have this kit right here by e.l.f. This e.l.f. one comes with the highlighting palette, a highlighting brush, so I won't be using the other ones for highlighting. I already have one in here. And then this one is a facial, shimmering facial whip, and I've had one of those before. This one right here. To set my makeup, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder to set my foundation and my concealer. And let me go ahead and try the brush and see if it's soft or pokey or anything. It's a little stiff, but it feels fine. Like, it doesn't feel, not at all. It doesn't feel pokey at all. Go ahead and set my eyelid a little bit with it. I'm adding a little bit more powder just to kind of remove it later. And then I'm going to set my entire face using the biggest brush in the bunch. Also feels soft. And it seems like a good size, not too big, not too small. I'm gonna go ahead and just remove what I put on the under eyes. The lighting is fine, a little low, so that way, well, a lot low, so that way it's not like super extra bright everywhere. And also, we're here in North Dakota, just so you know, we made it, so that's just a little update. It actually looks really pretty back here. Let me see if I can show you. Oh, I just hit my desk. Oh, maybe you can't see that, or maybe you can, I don't know. There's a lake back there, but it's frozen, and also a little hill, and there's like a bunch of snow. The window's a little dirty because the ride over here was a little messy, and also we have our bikes back there hooked up. But you can kind of see it right there. So cool. Maybe I should like film a video with it completely open if I clean the window. I stuffed my drawers with tissue paper, because like gift paper, because I didn't want my stuff to break. So far nothing has turned up broken, so that's always good news. Okay, so I'm gonna contour first a little bit, and I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contour kit. Use this brush right here. That actually is working pretty good. Like, it's not like super movable because it's a little small dense brush, but not bad for contouring, and I don't think it would be bad either for bronzing. There we go. That's pretty good. Oh, I feel like I'm like running out of the product, and whenever you do, it like gets really soft in the middle. So let me grab it from the sides. You know, like it's gonna break or something. Hopefully the bronzer doesn't look a little too orange, because this is a contour kit, by the way. But I feel like in some of my videos, my bronzer has been looking a little very warm, and I don't know why. I don't know if it's because my lighting, because in person it doesn't look like it does in my videos, and I know because I'm like watching the footage. But maybe it's the lighting. It's like super low. Like, I'm not putting it extra bright anymore or anything. I just feel like you can see it a lot better. Anyways, moving on. I'm gonna apply this bronzer right here. This is by NARS, and I'm just gonna apply this on top, and I'm just using the same brush because I feel like it's good for both things. Like, maybe if you wanted to get a super precise contour, don't use this one. Like, if you just want something really fast and you don't have time to be like blending out, keeping it super clean, this is kind of like using it as bronzer. But also really soft, not pokey, not hurting my face or feeling like rough or anything like that. For blush today, I'm going to use this one by LA Colors, and I'm just going to apply it with the last big face brush that I have. Maybe a little bit too big for me, but not bad. It could probably also work with like a very pretty bronzy bronzer. I guess it's not too bad, it's just a little big. But I mean, it's easily blending it out, so it's not bad to apply it with the big brush. I'm just not very used to it. I'm just grabbing my bronzer brush and putting a little bit of bronzer around my nose. So far, these feel really, really soft. They applied my makeup nicely, and I don't feel like I had a problem with it blending out, and I also don't feel like they're like stiff, rough, harsh on my face, nothing like that. So those are 4 out of the 6 brushes so far. I only have the eyeshadow brushes next, which I'll be using those. So next up is the palette and the Sleek makeup kit, and this one also comes with a little bag in here. So I'm guessing that the palette is so tiny so that way you can like take it to go. But to me it's like, I mean, the bag is cute. It's actually really pretty. It's a rose gold cute little bag, which is not bad. Like you can stick your cell phone in here. I mean, mine fits. Yeah, my cell phone fits. Maybe a lipstick and that's it. Or like your ID and debit card. That's it, you know? So that's cute. So anyways, it comes with a really nice mirror. This is so cute. Look at this. Alright, so there are your shades right there. Don't poke your finger in there or your nail because you might take it all out. And then it comes with a tiny mascara. It's called the I'm Conditional Mascara, which is also a little like sample travel size type mascara. And then lastly, this liquid lipstick, which actually does look pretty. It looks like a pretty color. Let me swatch it right here. And it is, oh, that's very pretty. That reminds me of the color Basic a little bit from... Maybe not. Maybe Basic is a little bit more cool toned, but it kind of reminded me a little bit of the one from Kylie Cosmetics that I just tried recently. So anyways, this one looks really pretty. I might wear this one today. I don't know. Alright, cute little bag. I like the bag. I like the bag. I'm going to start off with the brown shade right there. And hey, it's picking up the color. I'm going to go ahead and apply this right in here. Oh, it's showing up. Not bad. I was like, okay, maybe these are not even going to be like real eyeshadows, like really. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this out. That actually showed up really good. So I'm going to try that green one, which looks really pretty. Like it's a green gold type of shade. Use a little bit of eyeshadow primer all over my eyelid because I don't want to do a cut crease. I don't want to use concealer to like make a cut clean line. I just want the green to be all over the eyelid. I think it'll look really pretty. Let me go ahead and apply this all over the eyelid. Ooh, it's cute. It's really pretty. It's a very pretty green. That looks nice. Looks really pretty. That is a very, very pretty green. I'm gonna go over it up here with my blending brush. I didn't add any more product. I just want to make sure that it looks a little blended up here. I'm going to take a little bit of this one and I'm just going to apply this on my brow bone. Oh, maybe it's too much. Maybe it's a little too white. Should I? No, that's fine. We'll go with it. We'll go with it. Once I blended it out with my finger, it looked good because I thought it was going to be too white, you know, and the eyeshadow is green. Right, that looks cute. So I'm going to clean this pencil brush. The liquid lipstick looks really pretty, by the way. The swatch is already dry. And it looks really matte. It looks good. Okay, on the lower lash line, I'm going to apply a waterline eyeliner. This one's Alkaline by Urban Decay. And it's a purple eyeliner because I'm going to apply the purple shade on my lower lash line first. That purple shade, there's only one in there. It's like a mauvey purple. Since it doesn't, you can't really see it that much, I'm going to drag the eyeliner just a little bit low using the same brush. This brush is also not poking my eyes. It doesn't feel rough either. And the same shade that I applied on my brow bone, I'm going to apply that on my inner corner. So I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and I'm going to apply, should I apply this one? Let's try the one in here. I'm going to go ahead and use this mascara. This one is called Thick and Fast. Since I don't think I'm going to apply any falsies, I just want the mascara by itself. The brush seems like just one of those regular brushes. It's combing through my lashes fine, but I don't feel like it's leaving a lot of product yet. I don't see anything thick about it, so let me go ahead and apply. It has brush on one side and then it's like kind of flat on the other side, I guess, to deposit more product. And I'm gonna apply this on my lower lash line, on my lower lashes. Let me try the one from Sleek Makeup, and I'm gonna try this one on the other eye. And this one's the same, it has the same type of brush. Okay, this one's also very, very natural. It's not really leaving any product. Whenever I don't wear falsies, I like my mascara to help a little bit with my lashes. And those two are just very, very normal, natural mascara. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara and apply that one on top. Now the other ones did comb through them nicely. Like they look like you can see each hair, but you can't see any volume with it. So this is the way that the kit looks. Like I said, it comes with 3 products in here. I only have singles from e.l.f. So I've never used any e.l.f. palettes before, but it does seem to have like some very pretty shades in here. Let me just take it on the back of my hand. You really only need a little bit, and I'm just gonna take it with my finger and apply it up here. So there you go. It's very pretty. Like I already have one. I really like the way that it works. Try this one on the bottom. And it has a nice size mirror in here, and the brush, it seems really soft. It's kind of short, but not too short, you know? It's like, it's a good size. Now I'll apply that on top. Ooh, that looks really pretty. It set it really nicely. Like it made it look even more blended than what it was. It's even more like blurred out. Now I'm gonna try it with just the highlighter alone without applying the cream product there, just to see how glowy it is on its own. It is very powdery. It's one of those powdery highlighters. Okay, so it looks less glowy than it does on the other side. Not bad, it just looks more like a natural glow, I guess you could say, but not as glowy as this side. I feel like this one looks a little bit better, and they seem very, very powdery though. Like, ooh, look at that. It's like breaking apart a little bit. That one doesn't seem to have any glow to it. That first one, no shimmer at all. This one's also very powdery. I don't see any glow in any of them besides the one that I just used. Look kind of like chalky and powdery, but on my face, the third one right here, and it looks glowy on my face. So I don't know, I guess that's kind of weird. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this bottom one. I'm gonna apply this up here. This one's a little bit more pinky. I hope it doesn't look like shadowy. Alright, so that one's not bad. I like that one. That one looks very glowy. Let me just apply this right up here. Over it with this brush. I know I already used it, but just a tiny bit. Okay, so swatches, like I said, they look very chalky and dry, but they are showing up glowy on my face. It's just the swatches. I don't know why they're like that. Lastly, I'm gonna try the LA Colors Matte Lip Kit, and I'm hoping that it's good because it comes with a lip liner. It's hard. It feels like a pencil. I mean, it is, but the product is like kind of hard. Oh yeah, it's one of those super, super light lipsticks that I don't really wear. Okay, so it's dry now and it feels a little bit sticky. I don't feel like it's drying any more than this. Whenever I lick my lips, it does not come off though. It doesn't feel uncomfortable, but it does look dry, and it also cracks in between my wrinkles, and it like, I can see the little lines like there's no product there. It's just a formula. Maybe it's too thin that it doesn't really give you like a nice even coat to begin with. And then whenever it dries, it like cracks in between your wrinkles. So I am going to switch it. I'm going to take it off and I'm going to apply the other one real quick. I like this one much, much better. It looks way better with the look. And I like it. It feels comfortable. It looks good too. It looks smooth on my lips. And it does not crack in between my wrinkles, so that's a good sign. So I do like that lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over everything and tell you what I think about each set and which one do I think is actually worth it, which I am so surprised because I was not thinking that the Sleek Makeup one, I judged it. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. I'm gonna be real. I judged it because, not that I thought it was gonna be bad, but it was just so tiny. I'm like, how is this even gonna work? But look at my eyes. Like, it really worked. Like, you can see all the shades. There's plenty of product left, believe it or not. And it actually showed up really nicely on my eyes. So it also comes with, like I said, the lipstick, which is the one that I'm wearing right now. And I like it. Like, this is a very good shade. It's a pretty color. It's a very wearable color, but still, it still stands out. It's not like just plain old nude. And then it comes with the mascara. The mascara was the one that I was like, I don't really like it. Like, I wouldn't buy this, and I also wouldn't, I'm most likely not gonna use it. It's just one of those regular mascaras. It doesn't give me volume, it doesn't give me length. It just kind of coats my eyelash, very natural look, and separates them. It just looks really natural. Like, that's pretty much all that does. And then I do like the bag that it comes with. I think it's easy to carry. Like, I mean, you don't have to put your makeup in here. You could just put, like I said, your cell phone. Like, if you're going out somewhere, something super quick, and you don't want like a big purse, or you just don't want to take anything big or much, then this is perfect. So I don't know, I really like this set. So this actually turned out to be a pretty good kit. Let me know what you think about it. Okay, for sure, I can say real quick that this one to me is not worth it at all. The lip liner is just a pencil lip liner. It was really hard. It tugged on my lips. Like, it's just not a soft product. And then the lipstick, or yeah, the lipstick, you can see all my little wrinkles. It looks dry on my lips. Like, it didn't dry down to like a smooth finish. So I would say this one for sure is a no for me. I can say that easily, not because of the color, but because of the formula. It's just, I can see all my little wrinkles and it just doesn't look good. All right, and then for the brushes, I do think these are worth it. It is $20. You get 6 brushes in here, but it's not a bad set. I feel like I got good use out of all of these, like all over my face. Like, they worked out fine. You can use them for different things. It doesn't have to be the way that I use them. They're also soft. They applied my makeup nicely. Like, they were good. So I do think that these were good. And then I tried these 2 out for my eyeshadow today, and they worked out fine. This is the one that I used to apply the green all over, and it worked out good. So for sure, I do think that the brushes are a good set. And then lastly is the e.l.f. highlighters. Now, I do like the brush and I do like this product. I also like the highlighter that I used in here. The swatches didn't do anything good for them either, because they look really chalky and really dry, like no shimmer whatsoever. So yeah, it's kind of iffy on it. If you have bought the palettes before and you like them, well, now you can get it with this, and I think maybe it might be worth it. Out of all of them, I think the ones that I like the most are these 2. So anyways, guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you found it fun, and let me know what you think about the kits. Have you bought any of these? Are you getting any of these sets? So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.